Yeah, very good evening, children. Welcome to Akshar Online Classes. This is Ghaffar sir, your physics faculty. Let's start our session. Give me confirmation. Is my voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. Now you know very well. In the last we are discussing free body diagrams. Am I right?
Sir,
Yeah, we are discussing free body diagrams. Am I right?
in which timing the exam will conduct, sir?
Yeah, they will inform. Management will inform you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Mm. Yeah, actually we are learning free body diagrams. Am I right?
Yes,
So
sir.
already I have given two free body diagrams. Let's do some other free body diagrams today. Shall we? Shall we do? Yeah, we'll do now. So yeah, see here, example problem. We are doing FBD. This is FBD, free body diagrams. Now let me take any object. This is the object. This is a surface. This object having mass m. This object having mass m. Tell me what are the steps involved in the free body diagram? What are the steps in? First step is, can you tell me what is the first step? What, what is the first step?
Yes, sir.
What is the first step involving the free body diagram? Very good.
Isolate the object.
Next step is what?
Show forces acting on the object.
Very good. Third step.
X and Y.
Yeah, third step is
Explain Newton's second law, X and Y direction.
very good. Fourth step is
Find net acceleration
very,
from step 3.
very good. See, now the same thing will apply for here. This is a mass m, and on this mass we are applying a force F in this direction. Understand? Now this is a system. In this system, what is the first step involving here? What is the first step?
Isolate the object.
Let me take this object as this shape. When this object is this shape, on this object, what are the forces are acting? Isolation completed. Understand? This is M. Isolation is completed. Next, what is the next step?
Show all forces acting on
Uh,
the object.
very
along
good.
Y and X.
Here, how many forces are acting along y direction? First, tell me. One is, one is, one is gravitational force, that is mg.
And one is normal force.
Normal force. Okay, now next, along y direction, how many forces are acting?
One, sir.
One. This is the direction. So this is the free body diagram. Next, after drawing the free body diagram, what is the steps? What is the step next to free body diagram? For the next, what is the next step?
Next step.
Ah.
Apply Newton's second law.
Very good. Along first, I will apply Newton's second law along y direction.
Along X and Y.
Now I will apply along x direction.
Okay, sir.
Along x direction, how many forces are acting?
One, sir.
One. Since F net along y direction is become what? F. Okay, now. But according to Newton's second law, what is the F net?
MA.
Ma. Very good. Ma. M means mass of the object. A is the acceleration in a x direction is equal to. This is F. From here, acceleration in x direction is equal to what?
Sir.
What is the acceleration in x direction from this above equation?
One.
F by m, not 1. F by how much? F by m. Similar way, can you tell me, this is along which direction? X direction. No, along y direction. Y direction. Tell me along y direction.
Two forces
What are the two forces? F net along y direction is n minus mg. But is the object moving along y direction? Is this object moving along y direction? Not moving. When not moving, what is the net force acting on the body?
0.
0. Since this total term F net becomes 0, 0 is equal to n minus mg. From here, n is equal to mg. This is the way we can find a normal reaction. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, based on this, I'll give one problem. Can I give one problem?
Yes, sir.
So, example problem. The example problem is, this is a mass m. Let us take this is a 10 kg mass. This 10 kg mass is on the smooth surface. This 10 kg mass on where? On the smooth surface. Now this mass is, on this mass I applied a 20 Newton force. How much force I applied?
20 newtons.
20 Newton force. Now my question is, what is the acceleration of the body along x direction? Acceleration. Or else ax will be how much? Find out. Acceleration in x direction is how much? Find out. How do you find acceleration in x direction? How do you find acceleration in x direction? To find the acceleration, what strategy will use here? Tell me, what strategy will use? We'll use the strategy free body diagram. What strategy will use to find the answer? Free body diagram. So first draw this 10 kg free body diagram. Is my voice is audible, Avinash?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So first draw the free body diagram of 10 kg. So to draw the free body diagram of the 10 kg, what we need to do first?
Draw a free body diagram.
Yeah, what first step? What is the involvement of first step?
Isolate the object.
Yeah, this is a 10 kg. I have isolated from the system. Next, what is the next step?
Show all forces acting on the object along x and y direction.
On this object, how many forces are acting here?
X axis, sir.
First along x axis, how much force is acting?
1, sir.
What is that force? How much it is? Value?
20 newtons.
Very good. 20 Newton acting this direction. Next, is there any other force?
Yes, sir.
What is the other forces?
Normal and gravitational.
Normal reaction. And another direction is what?
Gravitation.
Gravitational force. This is the way how many forces are acting totally?
3.
3 forces are acting. After showing the forces, what is the next step?
Apply Newton's second law along x and y direction.
Now, if I apply Newton's second law along x direction, along x direction net force, tell me?
20 newtons.
20 Newtons. But according to Newton's second law, what is F net?
MA, sir.
Ma. What is the mass here?
10 kg.
Very good. 10 into which direction we are finding the acceleration?
X axis.
So you can take Ax is equal to how much? 20. Simplify and tell me acceleration in x direction.
2.
Very good. What is the units for acceleration?
Units of acceleration, sir. 2 meter per second.
Yeah. So 2 meter per second square. Along x direction, the object having how much acceleration?
2 meter per second
Same way, my other question is along y direction acceleration. Find out for the same body, what is the acceleration along y direction? For the same body, what is the acceleration along?
F is equal to
Very good.
n minus mg.
N minus mg. Now tell me, is the object moving along y direction?
No, sir.
No, which means this value is what? F net value is what?
0.
When F net is 0, acceleration also how much?
0.
So since what is the acceleration along y direction?
0.
0. So there is a no acceleration along y direction. That is the reason this mass m, this 10 kg mass will not move downward or upward direction. Only it will move which direction? Along x direction, horizontal direction only. Now my other question is, what is the normal reaction or else what is the normal force provided by the ground? Provided by the surface. Tell me how much it is? Normal reaction. I am asking n value. N value. How do you, how much? How 5 Newton? See,
Yes.
look at this, sorry. Look at this equation. From this equation, in this equation, what is the net force? How much is the net force you have?
0.
0. Make it equal to 0. 0 is equal to n minus mg. Understand? From here, n is equal to what you can write?
0.
N is equal to mg.
mg.
Then what is the m value? What is the m value?
mg.
M.
10 kg.
M is 10. What is the g value on the earth surface?
G, sir.
On the earth surface. Acceleration due to gravity on the earth surface.
G.
10.
0, sir.
10, 10.
10.
10 meter per second square. So totally how much?
20.
10 into 10. 100. 100 Newton. What is Newton here? Newton is a force. Force units, since because this normal reaction also force. Understand? Okay. Can I ask one more question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. One more question I'll give. Similar kind. One more example. This is a object 5 kg is on a smooth surface. Here I applied here 10 Newton. I applied how much? 10 Newton force. Now I want a normal reaction. Normal reaction applied by the ground. N value I am asking. N value I am asking. N value I am asking. మ్యామ్ చెప్పండి. ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్లో ఉన్నాం మ్యామ్ చెప్పండి. 9:30 ఎందుకు? ఎన్ని గంటలకి? మీరు 9 వరకు తీసుకోండి. సరే చూస్తాను మేడం, ఫోన్ చేస్తాను నేను.
50, sir. 50 newtons.
ఓకే. Yeah. How much? Normal reaction. How much is the normal reaction? How do you find normal reaction? To find the normal reaction, we must draw free body diagram. Understand? To find the normal reaction, we must draw what? Free body diagram. What is the steps? Yeah, 50 Newton. Yeah, excellent. You are right. You are right. 50 Newton is the correct answer. So, but how? How? 50 Newton is the right answer, but how? Look at here. Yeah, first I'll take the free body diagram of this 5 kg. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
How many forces are acting on this body?
3.
3. What are they?
Normal, gravitational,
Very good. Normal is acting upward.
gravitational force,
Mg is acting downward direction. Next, tell me. Along this direction,
x-axis,
x-axis, how much force is acting?
10 newtons.
10 Newton. This is the way the free body diagram. After drawing the free body diagram, next step.
So, apply Newton second law.
Yeah, very good. Along x direction now, if I apply Newton second law, along x direction. Along x direction, how many forces are acting?
1.
What is this?
F.
F net is equal to how much? F kada. But this F value is how much here?
10 newtons.
Very good, excellent. Now, according to Newton's second law, what is net force?
mg.
Mass into acceleration is equal to 10. But what is mass of the body?
5 kg.
5 kg. Acceleration is equal to 10. 5 ones are 5, 2s are. So 2 meter per second square is the acceleration. Along which direction it is?
X-axis.
Very good. Means the object having acceleration, this object 5 kg having acceleration along which direction? X direction. When it is x direction, is this our answer? Is this our question?
No, sir.
What is our question?
1 newton is equal to
Not Newton it is.
net force.
It is not net force. It is normal reaction. Understand?
Normal.
To find the normal reaction, in which direction we have to see the net force? Yeah, see now y axis, y direction. Y direction. Tell me along y direction.
2 forces.
What is the net force?
F is equal to n minus mg.
F net is equal to
N minus mg.
what is F net here?
F net mg.
What is F net here? How much is the net force along y direction? I am asking value. See, that is a common sense. We can find with common sense. How you can find with common sense? Look at here. Is this object moving along y direction?
No, sir.
No. Not moving means no net force. Understand?
Yes, sir.
The object not moving means along the direction we don't have net force. Understand? Which means F net along y direction is how much here?
0.
0. Very good. 0 is equal to n minus mg.
Mg.
Then
N is equal
n is equal to mg. N is equal to what is mass? How much? How much? 5. What is the acceleration due to gravity?
2 m.
Huh?
So, 0.
Huh? What is the acceleration due to gravity?
2 meter per.
Hmm? Acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. See, acceleration due to gravity, how much you take in here on the earth's surface for solving this problem?
F net.
Look at here, how much you have taken here?
100 in
10 not mg, we have taken 10.
10.
So G value how much? 10. So what is the answer? 50 Newton is our answer. Understand?
Yes.
Your answer, my answer is correct. Understood?
Yes, sir.
I'll give one more question now. One more question.
Yes.
Can I give this kind of one more question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Again, this is 5 kg only. How many kg object?
5 kgs.
5 kg. It is on the smooth floor. Okay. Now,
Okay.
in this direction, I am applying 20 Newton, or else in this direction I am applying 20 Newton. In this direction I am applying 30 Newton. Okay. Totally, how many forces are acting here? Horizontally. Yeah, this is a situation. Now I want acceleration along x direction. Acceleration along x direction I want. To find that, what is the steps are involved?
Isolate the object from
Free,
the system.
free body diagrams is involved, right? So when it is free body diagram is involved, what is the step for first step for the writing the free body diagram? What is the first step writing the free body diagram?
Yes, sir.
What is the first step writing the free body diagram? First step is
Electric Newton's second law.
yeah, first step is isolate the object. Okay. After isolation, what we need to do? Take the forces. Yeah. Here along this direction, how much is the forces acting?
30 newtons.
Excellent. You are right. And along this direction, how much is the forces acting?
20 newtons.
Excellent. Along upward direction, along this direction, how much is the forces acting?
Normal force.
Very good. Along downward direction, what is the forces acting?
Gravitational force, mg.
That is mg. Totally, how many forces are acting?
4.
4 forces are acting. Understand? Totally, how many forces are acting? 4 forces are acting. When forces are acting, what is my question here? My question is along x direction, acceleration. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So, for finding the acceleration along the x direction, you should take x direction components or y direction components.
X.
No, yeah, very good. X direction, let us analyze. Along x direction, how many forces are acting then? 2. The net force along x direction is, tell me?
20 newtons is 30 newtons.
Yeah, but here 30 Newton is acting positive direction. 20 Newton is acting,
4.
30 Newton is acting positive direction.
Yes.
20 Newton is acting,
Opposite direction.
means to show opposite, how to do here?
Minus 20.
Very good, minus 20. But F net, what is F net?
10.
F net, according
MA,
to
sir.
MA. What is M here?
5 kg.
And acceleration in x direction is?
10 newtons.
Yeah, 10 Newtons. Simplify it now.
2.
Yeah, very good. 5 ones are 5. What?
2.
2s are. So acceleration in x direction is what? 2 meter per second square. Now similar way, my other question is, what is a normal reaction? My other question is, in this case, what is a normal reaction? What is?
50 newtons.
How 50 newtons? To find the normal reaction, in which direction we should take the net force? X or Y? X direction or Y direction? To find the normal reaction, we have to take net force along X direction or Y direction?
X direction.
Is it right?
Sir?
I am asking normal reaction. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
In which direction you need to take the components?
Y
X.
direction, sir.
Yeah, take Y direction now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Y direction, along Y direction net force. Along Y direction net force. Tell me, along Y direction net force.
Is equal to N minus
Very good.
mg.
Mg. But along Y direction, how much is the net force?
Zero.
Why? Yeah, you are right. Why? How much? Why?
The object is not moving upward direction or downward direction.
Since it is 0, very good, excellent. N minus mg. From here, what you can write? N is equal to m into g. Understood? Now,
Yes, sir.
n is equal to, tell me,
And
n is equal to
5 into
5 into 10. So, n is equal to how much? Then
50 newtons.
50 newtons. Understood? This is the way the free body diagram will help you to know the answers. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'll ask one more question. I'll give one more time. Is it complete?
Okay, sir.
Are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Make it fast.
Come on, Derek.
Yeah. Can I go for the next?
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. The next one is, next example, same free body diagram only, involvement of free body diagram. So this is a rigid support. I suspended a object here. I suspended what? A object here. The object mass is, let us take 20 Newton. Sorry. The object mass is how much? 20 kg. 20 kg, not 20 Newton. 20 kg. 20 kg mass of the object I suspended with what? With a string. Look at here, this string not having any mass. Neglect the mass of the string. It is a massless string, and we are tying the 20 kg object to that massless string. Now here my question is, find the tension. Tension. Find the what? Tension in the string. Find the question, write down. Find the tension in the string. Find the tension in the string. This is my question. Understand? How you will find the tension in the string? How you will find the tension in the string? Here also we have involvement of what? FBD. Understand? Here also what we have? Involvement of the FBD. Understand? When we involve the FBDs, what is the first step of the FBD?
Isolate the object from the system.
So this is totally system. In that system, what you will isolate? You will isolate the object. Here, what is the object here?
20 kg.
Yeah, I am isolating here. This is isolating. This is, you can write now, 20 kg. On 20 kg, what are the forces are acting?
No, 2 sir.
What are they? First,
Downward.
weight is acting which direction? Downward direction.
Up.
Now tell me, as the weight acting downward direction, is the body moving downward direction?
No, sir.
Why?
Because the string was.
Means string is applying some force. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
In which direction the string is applying the force to not to move downward direction?
Up.
Yeah, string is applying some force in upward direction. That is called tension force.
Tension.
Whatever the force applied by the strings is called tension force. In this case, the string is applying tension force upward direction. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So I have is any other forces are acting?
No, sir.
Why? Is normal reaction will not act.
It will.
It will. See, that is wrong. See, when normal reaction will act, when normal reaction will act when it is contact with surface.
Was on the surface.
Yeah, when it is have contact with surface, then only normal reaction will act. Otherwise,
Yes,
won't
sir.
act. Here, is this body having any contact with the surface?
No, sir.
No, since no normal reactions. Only who is not allowing to move the body downward direction, the string, since string is applying some force.
Tensional force.
Yeah, tensional force. Now after this is a first step is isolating the object completed, showing the forces also completed. What is the next step?
Show all forces.
Completed. What is the next step?
Second law.
Yeah.
By x and y direction.
Now here along x direction. Let's see along
Forces are acting, sir.
x direction. Is there any forces are acting along x direction?
No, sir.
So net force is how much then?
0.
0. When net force along x direction is 0, what about acceleration?
0.
Acceleration also what? 0 according to Newton's second law. This is about x direction. Now coming to y direction. In y direction, what are the forces are acting?
2.
What are they?
No, tensional force and gravitational.
Very good. Since net force along y direction is tension force,
T minus.
minus is correct. Why minus?
Yes, sir.
Why minus? It is your right. Why minus? Because tension is acting upward direction, means positive direction. The gravitational force is acting
Downward.
negative direction. That is nothing but downward. So totally T minus mg.
And
But is the object moving anywhere?
no, sir.
No, means net force how much?
0.
0. 0 is equal to T minus mg. Understand? After having this, T is equal to
Empty.
mg. What is mass?
0.
What is the mass of the object?
20 kg.
Very good. What is the acceleration due to gravity?
Gram. G.
Just now we discussed.
S.
What is the acceleration due to gravity? How much is the acceleration due to gravity on the Earth's surface? It's 10.
10 sir.
Totally how much?
200.
200 what?
Newton.
Yeah, that is the answer. Okay, na?
Okay.
So tension in the string is how much?
String, sir.
Tension in the string is how much?
200 newtons.
200 newtons. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Can I give one more question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, similar kind.
Can I note this?
Yeah, first I'll give the question, later we can note. Here, this is a what? This is a again rigid support. Here I suspended one 10 kg object. Now what is the tension in the string? What is the tension in the string? Okay, this is your question.
So I will solve.
Will you solve?
Yes, sir.
You can take this as a homework. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you can solve at home. Now, are you copying?
Yes, sir.
You can copy it. So after the copying, I'll stop the session. Understood?
I guessed it that 10 kg means 100 newtons.
What is 100 newtons?
The steam
Tension, not it is called string. String only. In the string, what force will be existed? Tension forces exist. Can I say one secret for you?
Sir?
Can I say one secret for you?
Yes.
Tension force always pulling force. Understand? Tension force always what? Pulling force. Okay, remember, don't say to the secret to anyone. Understand? Okay? Yeah. Can I stop the session for today?
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
We'll continue in the next class.
Okay.
Bye. Bye.